legal luminaries. Good morning. I think advocates do hit a strike even in the Supreme Court of India, then why there is no voice at all? Good morning. Yeah, that should be the lions roaring in the courts. Well, I'm so happy, I'm very pleased today because I could talk to somebody from Allahabad. I could talk to somebody from Lucknow. These were the two places where I was strongly associated during 2017 and 22. From 2017 to 2022, I was in Allahabad as director of Indian Institute of Information Technology, and I was also mentoring IIIT Lucknow, which was over there. So during that period, it was in 2019, Justice Tihari got elevated as the justice at Allahabad High Court. The Allahabad is mainly known for many things. Obviously, Nehru family, independence of India. A part of that, Allahabad High Court, the most important. The other most important was Central University of Allahabad, which was called Oxford, producing the IAS officers for India. Okay, it was called Oxford of East also, Oxford of India. That was the name and that was the fame. Probably you are all very young people. Allahabad High Court, for what has it been known, has not been known to you perhaps. It was the historic judgment of Allahabad High Court, which ruled against the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Well then, not getting into politics, let me speak about the lighter side of these judges. Very interesting lighter side, particularly in Allahabad. The case obviously was between some faculty members of IIIT Allahabad, and it was in High Court. Of course, that was the worst part of this education institution because it was located in Allahabad. Everybody would run to High Court directly. They were directly running to High Court for any small thing. So a judge was very jovial, and he said, for some reason, the advocate started arguing, log bhang पी के रखे हैं. तो जज बताए, कहाँ लोग भांग पिए हैं भाई, कुएं में ही भांग है, यहाँ के कुएं में ही भांग है. Did you get it? Hope you have not got it. See, bhang. Bhang is, So one advocate very stylishly mentioning, log bhang pee ke rakhe hain. And people, even educated people, have consumed bhang, he was trying to tell. The judge immediately remarked, कहाँ लोग पी के हैं, पिए नहीं रखे हैं, कुएं में ही भांग है. In the well itself it is भांग, and कहाँ उन्हें बना के तो पीना नहीं चाहिए, बना के तो पी नहीं सकते हैं क्योंकि भांग तो कुएं में ही है. So that is a wonderful memory which I have about the justice of well, there was one justice from Karnataka in Allahabad also, but I could not catch up with him. He also wanted to meet me, but then because of COVID, from whatever the reasons, we could not meet. Today, Justice Tihari was mentioning about his, recalling, remembering, and thanking Justice Narendra, who could make his way. Now, had Narendra come also, I would have been happy because he is from Karnataka and I am from Karnataka. Because Tihari ji has come over here, I am doubly happy because that was my second home, Allahabad, and he is also, his first home happens to be Allahabad. Okay. The other one important point which I have got to mention, one case of our student, a student was there. This student, obviously, आपको पता नहीं है, यूपी में anybody is a born politician, यूपी में, है ना तिहारी जी? यूपी में हर एक born politician है. जो भी जन्म लेगा वो एक कृष्ण का आस्थान है, मथुरा है, क्या कर, इट हैपन्स, इट डज हैपन. होल महाभारता इज द वेन्यू. ठीक है, इट हैपन्स. देन this person, this student, was the son of a policeman. Now you see the complication. This student was the son of a policeman. This person was little, high-ended, high-ended personality, institute mein. One day it so happened that he snatched the rifle of our security guard and he started, showing the rifle. Naturally, our, people, our law guarders in the institutions, people who take up the guard, they had to take action. They brought it before me. Finally, they brought it before me. I said, look, first of all, why did he have the access to that gun? Second, what made him to pull out the gun? Third, what made him to establish that he is a hero in the campus? इसका हीरोपन कोई तो दबाए होंगे, इसीलिए वो हीरो बनना चाहता था. तो आपका कुछ गलती है इसमें. देखिए, आप उनको हीरो नहीं बनने दे रहे हैं. यू आर नॉट अलोइंग हिम टू बिकम ए हीरो. यू आर नॉट अलोइंग हिम टू प्रोजेक्ट हिमसेल्फ. देयरफॉर ही इज टेकिंग हिज ओन वे टू प्रोजेक्ट हिमसेल्फ. आपको देखना चाहिए. But even then, academicians had a tough time. Academicians wanted to give a punishment. Then they brought the punishment. They wanted to suspend him. They wanted to throw him out of the institution. I said, no, I'm not going to throw him out of the institution, but all that I'm going to do is the following. A person can complete his BTech degree in 7 years. I shall give him the punishment of suspending him from the main activity for about 1 year so that he can still complete his BTech in 7 years. That punishment is more than enough. But ये तो पुलिस का आदमी था, पुलिस का बेटा था. इसका ईगो, हर एक को ईगो इतना रहता है, हर एक को प्राइड इतना रहता है. Everybody is so proudy peacocks that he said, मैं देख लूँगा, मैं कोर्ट में देख लूँगा. चलो बेटे, कोर्ट में ही देख लो, कोई बात नहीं है. अगर जिसको जहाँ जस्टिस नहीं मिलता है तो वो कोर्ट जाते ही हैं, जाएंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम. This case went to the court. Thanks to the court, the hearing itself got delayed by 1 year. तो punishment हो ही गया. Isn't it? Right? And then the judge who was handling this case, he said, he wanted to follow the protocol. He said that you are the vice chancellor, you are the director of the institution, but then I want to talk to you over phone. Chaliye, I mean, it's very good in the context. Because of the student, I would talk to a honorable judge over phone. I always want to keep away the politicians and keep away the judges also from my office. But then he wanted to speak to me. I said, okay. Oh, he was so happy that the punishment that I had given was so accurate, and the most important point which he liked was, even during that 1 year, I had given him the punishment of staying in the campus. He should stay in the campus and he should take the responsibility of gardening, and he should also take the responsibility of our hospital in the campus. He should take care of that. And I said that the service that you are going to do, that shall be the additional credits which shall be shown in your grade card. Only thing is that your regular credits cannot be taken up. And that judge remarked in his judgment that it is not punishing a candidate, but it is also setting him right. And IIIT Allahabad has done that work. Okay, so it happens. Judges also appreciate. And today, when Justice Tihari ji spoke about pro bono. It was really an information for me. It is also really an eye-opener for me that even Government of India has been venturing to do a lot of works. Well then, before I love to conclude my speech, just on a very jovial part of it, there was a young advocate, young lawyer, very young lawyer, son of a big advocate, very big advocate, and he took up the case of what his father was running for years together, years and years together. His father was running this case years and years together, and he took up the case and he solved it within one hearing. He participated in only one argument, and the judge was so pleased and the decision was given. Obviously, the decision went in the favor of this young advocate. Then he went to his father, पापा देखिए जो आप सालों भर लड़ते आए मैं एक ही दिन में ख़त्म कर दिया. Then he said he appreciated, son, when you have received the congratulations from judge, I am also honored as a father to congratulate you. But please remember, this case, which I kept for 20 years, was responsible for your education and for responsible in sending you abroad and was responsible in making you a big advocate also. तो आप उसी को ख़त्म कर दिए, राइट? तो जज का हालत सुनिए. वो सुनते रहेंगे, दोनों एडवोकेट को सुनते रहेंगे, विटनेसेस को देखते रहेंगे. Now you see that truth is, the higher truth is only with one advocate. Judge knows that. Higher truth is, but then truth will be with both the advocates. What is the higher level of truth is what judge has got to do. Judge has got to keep observing. And I had some occasions to participate in Bangalore High Court also, only as a witness. When one advocate starts speaking, you would be so amazed. You are not a judge. I am not a legal profession in whatever the sense. I get carried away when people speak very well. And when one advocate speaks, I fully feel that the whole truth is only with him. And if the judge is also emotional, he will also feel the same thing because he is also a human being, right? And then the opposite advocate starts speaking, and his speech obviously will be one level higher than that of the previous advocate, one tone higher level than the previous advocate. देखिए जज का हालत क्या हो सकता है. You should be. But only one thing which I do not understand is how advocates, fully knowing that this is the worst case that I should not take it up, still takes it up. This is the whole untruth is with this person, still an advocate takes it up. The untruth, so continuing that, the untruth is known to the advocate. What has happened is definitely known, but still, how does the advocate accept to argue? Why does the advocate accept to take up this case? Obviously, it must be his living also, right? But one thing is very certain, both the advocates will have certain level of truth. The higher truth is with some other case and lower. Both, if two of you would fight and two of you get into court, justice will be both of you because both of you will have the reasons to have fought. Definitely. But then what is more legal has got to be found out. So very excellent. And Tihari ji 1969 के बैच के जजेस हैं, 1969 के BL है ना आप yes, right, he started and he is from Lucknow University. आपको पता नहीं होगा, जो लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी से जो इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी से ला करते हैं ना, वो इतने वाइब्रेंट होते हैं, राइट? सो यू आर वेरी लकी, you are blessed, because Tihari, Justice Tihari has been over here, and he has really introduced you and has promoted you, has triggered you, has initiated you to contribute to pro bono. I'm very happy. And thank you very much for such a patient hearing, and thank you very much that you heard, Doctor. I'm also very happy our Chancellor could make it up. Our Chancellor, Dr. Lavo Gataya Garu, has been over here. He could make it up. Over to Chancellor Garu, Dr. Lavo Gataya Garu.